Three stages of clay are plastic, leather hard, and bone dry. The first stage is plastic clay. That's when the clay is fresh and has the most moisture. It can join other pieces as well. This clay feels soft and not as drying as the other stages. Aging improves the plasticity of the clay. You can cover your clay with a plastic bag to keep it from drying too fast. Don't add too much water because then the clay gets harder to sculpt. This clay is good for coils and slabs. It's moldable, so this is when you should create the shape that you want. Some clay safety tips are that you can capture clay dust with water. You can use a wet sponge to clean up the clay. The second is leather hard clay. Here the clay is partially dry. It still looks damp but less than in the first stage. This clay is still workable but stiffer. The color is a little faded and the clay is more firm, so this is the best time to make clean incisions and scratches. It is also the best time to scratch, moist, and push other pieces of clay so that they stick because the clay can support its own weight now. You can keep moisture now by placing a wet towel over the clay and in a plastic bag. Lastly, we have bone dry clay. At this point, you can't bend the clay anymore or add pieces because they will not stick together. You can still scratch the clay, and this is the most fragile stage, so be careful when handling your piece as it is now prone to breakage. The clay is now completely dry in a white color and it is ready to bisque fire.